Inside, there's a very important surface that's about to undergo a big change. About 95% of this house is covered with antique Hartheim flooring. The original wood in the house has been here since 1926, so for the additions, we had new flooring milled from reclaimed lumber of about the same age. Our hope is that as the flooring crew begins to refinish the old stuff, it'll look more and more like the new stuff. The refinishing starts with a large drum sander. Now this is one of those projects that do-it-yourselfers sometimes try to tackle. After all, how hard can it be? The sander moves itself across the floor. But that's where you can get in trouble. These things are so aggressive you can damage a floor quickly if you don't pay close attention to the speed of the machine and how much material you're taking off. Beneath those decades of wear and tear, this old wood is beautiful. The drum sander does the bulk of the work, but a disc sander is needed to edge around baseboards and cabinets where the larger machines won't fit. The close quarters of the staircase requires even smaller tools to strip away the old finish. Every piece of stained wood in the house is being stripped down to bare wood, but the sanding process continues even onto the new floor. Here they're removing any unevenness between boards to get the smoothest finish possible for these wood floors.